Seal check. Number matches the bill of lading. 049 Alpha.
Got it. 049 Alpha, confirmed. Go ahead and crack it open, Mike.
Only after passing rigorous chemical and microbial identification are raw ingredients released from quarantine.
Inlet pressure is holding steady at 60 psi. The sand bed looks good.
Yeah, flow rate is nominal. I'll log the differential before we check the carbon tower.
Step 2.3, water softening and conditioning. The mechanical valve automatically rotates, diverting the flow. To ensure absolute sterility, the purified water circulates continuously through UV sanitizers and heat exchange.
Loading the master recipe for total control. System is locked.
Verified. Scales are zeroed. Let's start the humectant feed.
Even the smallest micro-ingredients, like flavors and sweeteners, are pre-weighed to within a fraction of a gram to ensure.
CIP cycle complete. The tank is spotless. No residue.
Drain valve closed. Check the vacuum seal integrity.
The liquid base is heated and de-aerated until the binding gums fully hydrate, creating a thick, consistent gel structure ready for the abrasive powders.
Transfer pump is at 80%. Vacuum is pulling hard on the main vessel.
Watch the load cells. We need to hit exactly 2,000 kilos of base.
Powerful anchor agitators scrape the cooled paste from the vessel walls, ensuring the abrasive silica. Fluoride injection started. Flow rate is calibrated.
Copy. Timer set for 3 minutes to ensure full dispersion.
Step 6.5, final homogenization cycle.
Temperature-sensitive flavor oils are added last, under deep vacuum, to preserve their volatile freshness before the finished batch is pumped to storage.
Taking the composite sample for the lab, top, middle, and bottom.
Production is on hold until you give us the green light on pH and density.
dimensions. Precision instruments verify the fluoride concentration and viscosity. Once the digital signature is applied,
Magazine is full. Tube orientation sensors are active.
Start the filler. Let's keep the speed at 200 tubes per minute.
Step 8.2, air cleaning and orientation.
Using hot air technology, the laminate tubes are sealed, coated with a unique lot number, and trimmed at a rate of 300 units per minute.
Carton or sink looks good. No jams in the bucket chain.
Keep an eye on the glue pot level. It's running low.
Automated robotic cells pack the finished cartons into shipping cases, verifying the weight of every box to ensure no unit is missing.
Stack pattern is stable. That's the last layer.
Pallet is full. Sending it to the wrapper.